lip gloss be popping, my lip gloss be cool. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a review. Hey, what it do, boo? Hey, what it do, boo? Hey, what it do? Hey, y'all ain't know I can freestyle like that, did it? Where the cypher at? Where the cypher at? Cause your girl about to flow. What's up, y'all? What's up? What is good? What it do? Booze. Oh my goodness. What y'all out there doing? What you doing while you watching this video? Anyway, let me just say thank you to everybody who clicked on the video, especially all my new folks out there who have never seen me before. I'm E4K. I love wigs. I love hair. I love makeup. I love my hair. I love other people's hair. I just love beauty. So if you love those things too, and you want to know how you could get the hookup, how you could slay a wig, how you could do your real hair, and everything else in between, how you could get nails like this at home for less than $5, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. And to all my A1 since day one, what it do, crew? What it do, crew? What it do? So today we are reviewing Miss Kylie in the color 3CR Sunflower. Hey, look at this. Isn't she freaking gorge? Y'all, check her out with the soft lace that's not white like that god-awful Bobby Boss HD crap they got going on. Review coming soon. Anyway, Miss Kylie in the color 3CR Sunflower. And look at all those other colors they have, y'all. They have so many colors available. I'm going to let y'all just pause the camera. Not the camera. The video. I'm going to let y'all pause it real quick so y'all can peek those colors if necessary. Yeah. So those are the colors. She is a pre-plucked Swiss lace. She has a 5-inch deep part. She has heat-resistant fibers. She is safe up to 400 degrees. Now, as you look on the back of the card, it actually shows you all those colors that were on the front of the card that I showed you. Those are all of the dope colors. Like, they got regular colors like 1B, 1, and 613, which 613 is one of my favorites. But anyway, but those are the colors that she is available in. Y'all, do you see that one right there? Like, that is gorgeous. I love it. Anyway, we are going to plop Miss Kylie on our head right after I show y'all the inside of this joint. So she has 2 combs in the front, beautiful soft lace, and 1 comb in the back. I finally measured my head, y'all. Oh, and of course the adjustable straps. I finally measured my head, and I am a 23. Comment below and let me know if that is big-headed or not. Because I still don't know if it's big head or small head, you know, measurements. Kylie is tight as heck. Now, she is about, she stops right there. That's where the lace stops. So, she is not ear to ear completely on me. Stops right there. My ear's right here. On this side, I guess I gotta pull more on this side than this side. But dang, if I pull any more than, let's see. Lord, y'all, I don't know about Miss Kylie. She gonna have to have all kind of baby hairs. You know what? I'm gonna cut the rest of this off camera and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Just take it in. Just take it in. Because that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking it in. Y'all, I'm trying to contain myself. Oh, my goodness. I love long wigs. You understand? Like, that's it. That's all I do. This is legit my 3rd. I'm lying. This is like my 6th bob or short wig. Hands down, she is the favorite. You understand? I'm talking about like... Yo, I cannot. Like, I cannot. She is so freaking gorgeous to me. You know, to each his own. Y'all might not like her. But I think Miss Kylie is beautiful. She has absolutely no tangling, period. Like, at all. Like, none. She is not tangled at all. She shed quite just a little bit. Let's see. She shed just a little bit, but honestly, you guys, I do believe that's from me cutting the lace so close to the hairline or whatever. Her texture is like a nice silky texture. She is not shiny at all. If she looks like she is for any reason, she's not. Like, I would not put any dry shampoo on her. I would, like, legit, you take her out the box and you put her on your head after you cut your lace, of course. I put some of the LA Colors Dollar Tree pressed powder in my part. From some of the other reviews that I've watched, a lot of the ladies who had the roots that were not dark, they recommended not putting any powder on the part. But since she had dark roots, or rather CR roots, I don't know what CR is. I mean CR roots. Not CR roots, but it says CR. I know DR is dark roots. So if y'all know what CR is, maybe what colored roots? I don't know. Anyway, she is gorgeous. I would say she is almost big head friendly. So this is the tab on this side. Now, it's all the way up here because I wanted a deeper part on this side. But if I put her evenly on both sides, she's just like this, which is still freaking adorable. I have like no forehead, y'all, so I'll be having to manipulate these wigs. But anyway, yeah, so with her being in the middle where she's supposed to be, the ear tab stops right above my ear over on that side, and over on this side she comes right to my ear. And this is her literally in the middle. I measure it by the tag in the back, and the tag is dead set in the middle. So yeah, anyway, she I mean, she's heat safe. Oh, sorry y'all, because I put a little bit of heat on her up at the top right there, which I did all of that just to realize that that's my braid up under my unit. But yeah, Miss Kylie is a winner in my book. I definitely recommend her. I will definitely be getting her in other colors no time soon though, because I've blown my wig budget for February, March, and probably April too. So yeah, no, I won't be buying any anytime soon. I thank you guys so very, very much for tuning in today. Again, this color is the 3CR Sunflower, I want to say. I don't know what I've done with my care card, but let me just give y'all a quick 360. She is a baddie, a baddie, a baddie. Just like her mama. Hey! Right, ladies? We baddies, boo. Yes. But yes, Miss Kylie is giving me body. Is she giving you body? Because she giving me body. Yes, boo. Yes. Don't forget, like and subscribe. It's free, guys. Please subscribe. You help me out when you subscribe. And when you like the video, it helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. So I'm suggested to other beautiful women and possibly gents out there just like yourselves. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Even if you didn't, please comment below. Let me know your thoughts. So y'all have a blessed night. I love you all, and I thank God for y'all. Like, yo, without you, it's no me. It's no E4K on the YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It's no me on the YT. Anyway, y'all stay covered in the blood of Jesus. Y'all keep yourselves safe until next time. Well, even after that time, I want y'all to be safe too. Anyway, love you all. Y'all have a blessed night or day or morning or whatever. I love y'all.